How can microscopic factories make plastic greener?
Make the connection with EU Science.
Fluorine is an essential element that adds strength to molecules in everything from medicines to frying pans. But fluorinated compounds are toxic to produce, and their durability means that once used, they can become hard-to-treat pollutants. The EU-funded Sinfonia project used bacteria to synthesize fluorinated compounds. This more sustainable production process delivers low-fluorine polymers that are biodegradable, offering materials that are greener from start to finish. Find out more at cordis.europa.eu and follow us.